Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off autocorrection in the AOSP keyboard. So let's get started. Honestly, autocorrect can be really frustrating and sometimes downright stupid. It often changes words in ways that make no sense, leading to confusion and mistakes. Autocorrect even changes stdio.h to studio. What's up with that? You may have noticed that the autocorrect feature can be quite annoying at times. Let me show you how to disable autocorrect. I'm using CyanogenMod 13, so the steps might be a bit different on your device. To get started, go to the settings menu. If you find it difficult to locate, I recommend using the search function within the settings to make it easier. Next, search for Android keyboard in the settings. Open the second option that appears in the search results. Then scroll down and click on Android keyboard. Next, select text correction. You can uncheck the autocorrect option. You might also want to disable block offensive words. And depending on your preferences, consider turning off personalized suggestions as well. Tap the back arrow to return to the previous menu. Now let's go back to the text editor. As you can see, the text is no longer being autocorrected, just as expected. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autocorrect on your AOSP keyboard. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.